Why the rich use credit cards. And you should too. Ever wonder why rich people, who could buy anything in cash, still use credit cards? It's not because they need the money. It's because they understand something that most people don't. Welcome to Smart Money Makers, where your money learns to work smarter, not harder. If you're ready to grow financially, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down exactly why the rich use credit cards, and why you should too. Not to get into debt, but to build wealth, boost credit, and unlock real benefits. Let's dive in. Credit cards are wealth tools, not debt traps. Most people think credit cards are for emergencies or online shopping, but the rich? They use them like tools to control cash flow, earn perks, and grow financial power. The difference is mindset. Poor and middle-class people use credit emotionally. The rich use it strategically. 1. They maximize rewards. Every day. Rich people spend a lot, but they make sure every dollar earns something back. They use premium cards with cashback or travel points. On business cards with high spend categories. Reward programs for luxury hotels, airlines, and events. They don't pay interest. They just collect free rewards for spending they had already planned. 2. They build powerful credit profiles. Good credit yields financial leverage. Rich people want access to low-interest loans, business lines of credit, and high-limit cards. They use credit cards to maintain excellent payment history and keep utilization low. Boost their score without risk. Even if they don't need credit now, they know it opens doors in the future. 3. They separate business from personal. The wealthy often run multiple businesses or investments. They use different cards for different purposes. One for business expenses. One for personal purchases. One for staff or travel. It makes taxes, accounting, and budgeting so much easier, and keeps things clean and professional. 4. They get protection on every purchase. With a premium credit card, you get purchase protection, on extended warranties, on trip cancellation and lost luggage insurance, on fraud alerts and zero liability. Cash can't do that. Debit cards often don't. Credit cards offer built-in safety and peace of mind. 5. They automate their money. Rich people don't waste time paying every bill manually. They set up automatic payments for subscriptions, recurring bills on the right cards, alerts to stay on top of usage. That way, they never miss a payment and their credit profile stays perfect with minimal effort. 6. They never pay interest. This is the golden rule. The rich don't carry debt on their cards. They use credit cards for perks, but always pay them off in full. They don't give banks the satisfaction of charging 20% interest. Meanwhile, many people fall into the trap, spending more than they can afford and paying interest for years. The rich don't play that game. So, should you use credit cards like the rich? If you pay your balance in full, if you track your spending, if you use rewards and perks smartly, if you treat it as a tool, not a crutch, then yes. It's not about being rich. It's about thinking rich, and because the tools the wealthy use are available to everyone, if you use them wisely. So next time you swipe your card, Ask yourself, am I using this like a spender or like a strategist? For more clean, practical money tips, and start using credit like a wealth builder, not a trap. Subscribe to Smart Money Makers, where your money doesn't work hard. It works smart. Thanks for watching.